Mururumo wa kathatu wa murimu wa COVID-19 utariirio ni ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ ta mururumo ukite na maruru gukira mirurumo ya bau kabere kuona kuma waniriro bururi uri gikire-ini kia 22 bari igana na ni muigana uri urutitwo kumana na wongerereku wa arwaru eru a murimu uyu uria uraniriro o muthenya.
It's not the right time to travel because of the spread of this virus and the vengeance, as we said before, of this third wave. So let us protect each other, let us protect ourselves, let us try as much as possible to avoid all those gatherings and the spread of the virus.
Bururi ukiandikithia arwaru eru 1,000 maigana rimwe ria 27 a murimu wa COVID-19 rungu rwa mathaa 24 thutha wa kungania ithimi 5,393 muigana wa arwaru ukibanda bari andu 1,100 ria 23 igana rimwe ria 67. Ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ yurite muingi ucokererie mawatho ma COVID-19 o ta uria kwari riria murimu uyu watuthukire bururi-ini.
This is a time when we must avoid all forms of gatherings. All forms of gatherings. As you know, His Excellency the President gave out the directives of restricting public and other social gatherings.
Andu 25 ni makwite kumana na murimu uyu mathaini o macio ikuo ciothe ikibanda bari andu 2,048.
We have had discussions with the counties and we are developing a platform where we can be able to have real-time reporting of deaths or latest within 24 hours.
Kiama gia gutetera ivoto cia arigitani kiugite riri ni ibinda iritu kuri maobithare mararuta mawira matiganite thibitari-ini kuona itanda cia kuthaitira arwaru aria mebireirio mathibitari-ini ni njihũru o riri 10 ao marabatara motungata maya.
We have 10 doctors currently admitted in various facilities across the country battling from moderate to severe disease. And this is a big concern for us.
Arigitani mugite ni ibinda rimwingi unyite mawatho ma COVID-19 ni amu o uria mararegerio noguo mitaratara ya urigiti irathie kiremagiriro kumana na muigana munene wa arwaru aria marenda motungata maya.
The shortages in the country and in the counties are real. The infection is straining the workforce. The fact that the terms and conditions are not yet fully addressed.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Jetagwo Masi, Wadia wa Mũrĩithi.